Hey, welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and this is a look at the official Windows 8 operating system, and this is on a Toshiba S855 computer with a Core i5. Now, Windows 8 with its tiles, with its new way, and don't call it Metro anymore. They've taken out the Metro interface name and just called it Windows 8 look. So when you see this, it's not Metro, it's just the Windows 8 look. Now, this is not a touchscreen laptop, but you have gestures on the pad. So when I put two fingers on my pad and cross from left to right, you see that I can actually go to the different tiles. Each tile is very customizable, and as you can see, tiles are live, meaning that all information that is actually possible to display is being shown on the tiles. I actually enjoy a lot this look of the tiles because it's really lively. You have the impression your computer is doing something, and it's pretty cool. You have a glance at your mail, you have a glance at any other information, the news. Not all tiles actually have the live information, but the tiles that do is actually pretty cool. If you look on the upper right, for example, you can see that the tile with recipes, which is allrecipes.com, is actually showing you pictures of food. And you know what? The pictures you see there are actually pictures that you've looked at, meaning that, for example, for the recipes, it's recipes that I actually looked at in the app. Same thing for Netflix, for example. At the bottom you see Futurama. Well, Futurama is not complicated, it's just that I was looking at some Futurama episodes. So, and Family Guy also. So that's why you see all that information. The information is not only taken from the app, but it's also what you usually will do with that same app. Of course, not all apps actually show up as tiles. Some tiles, for example, if you look at the right side, you see that the tiles for Word, Excel, and PowerPoint are actually just little icons, the same little icons you had on your desktop, but they are put inside a little square tile. Two ways to have tiles on your computer. You can have the little square ones, or you can actually have the larger rectangular tiles, and it's interchangeable. So for example, when a tile is not necessarily what you want, you can right click, and there you'll have the option at the bottom for smaller or bigger. So if I pick smaller, for example, here goes, smaller tiles. So the tiles that don't display any information, or that you don't actually need to see what's in the information, you can actually put them smaller so you can have more tiles on your viewing area. So this is a quick look at the new Windows 8, and you can see that I've added apps, Wikipedia, TuneIn, eBay, and Skype, and all of those are available on the brand new store, which is basically the central place where you go. And the Microsoft Store has apps, and free apps, you got apps that you need to buy. So it depends on what you're gonna do, but lots of free stuff, lots of stuff that you actually will need to buy. It depends, and it's a little like going to the App Store on your iPad or iPhone or iPod Touch. Free apps and paid apps. And basically it's amazing how Microsoft did an interesting job of having so many apps right from the start, which is pretty cool. And they're all by categories. If you want to have one specific area, all you need to do is, for example, if you want news and weather, you just You can click on the news and weather at the top, and it's going to bring you all the apps available in that category. And of course you got the upper left back little arrow. And what's interesting and new pretty much is that in the new Windows 8, the key to really go back is Windows key. So when you want to go back to the start menu, which is pretty much the start screen with the little tiles, you gotta use your Windows key. And if you don't have a Windows key, you can actually do Alt Escape, and it's gonna have the same effect as the Windows key. So that's the first look. We will have videos showing you each apps one by one, and actually showing you how to use Windows 8 to the maximum. So take a look at all the videos we'll have online. I think it's going to be a great place for all of you out there that's going to come to Windows 8, that you're going to upgrade to Windows 8, or maybe you're buying a new computer and have Windows 8 and you're like, oh my god, what is this? This is a big change in Windows, I must admit. So subscribe to our channel if you want, and you will be able to actually, you'll know when I put new videos online. We'll try to put at least 4 or 5 videos a week, and so in the coming weeks you'll have we'll soon have hundreds of videos showing you how to do almost anything in Windows 8. If you have suggestions for what you would like to learn on Windows 8, let me know and we'll do a video on it. I want to have this place, as this channel, as a very important channel where you will learn how to use your computer with Windows 8. So thanks for watching 73s, which is an ham radio. It's an amateur radio way of saying bye-bye. So take a look at all the other videos we'll put online soon. Bye-bye.